Yes, it's true. Lots of studies say so. We live in the era of yawning. We have so many distractions and so much to do, so that in the end, we either don't sleep or we sleep because we have to. But at Essenzia, we've found the solution. No. That's enough cliches. We have the perfect rest protocol. No, that name's no good. We need to sleep on it. That's better. 1. R plus D plus I. We research every stage of sleep and apply the most advanced technology to create a mattress that guarantees a good night's sleep. 2. Dreamstorming. Although it may not seem like it, the most important decisions are taken in this room.
1,000 points of sale, both national and international. But what about Mars?
Mars bed.
Great idea.
Because the best ideas come after a good rest. 3. Durability. This is where we work on bed jumping. Because comfort matters, but so does durability. That's a good one. 4. Sampling. In these 15,000 square meters, we also have our testing area, where we select people like you to test our mattresses. And that's our entire essence. That's what sets us apart. And if you can't see the difference, you really need a break. See you in 8 hours.